Good morning everyone. I am Raman Kumar from Electrical Department, working as an assistant professor in Modern Group of Colleges, Pandori Pak, Punjab. I would I will introduce you with this lecture regarding the basic logic gates. So first we will discuss the what is the logic gate. Logic gate may be defined as the digital circuit capable of performing a particular logic function by operating on a number of binary inputs, and the logic gate are the basic building blocks of the any digital circuit. सो कोई भी डिजिटल सर्किट के लिए जो लॉजिक गेट्स होते हैं वो उसका बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स होते हैं, और इसका जो फंक्शन होता है वो डिपेंड करता है आपकी बाइनरी इनपुट्स के ऊपर. सो इन द डिजिटल फॉर्म वी विल डील विद ओनली आइदर ज़ीरो और आइदर वन. So here the types of the logic gates. Logic gates can be broadly classified as the basic logic gates, on the universal logic gates, and the other logic gates. So first, the basic logic gates are, in our digital electronics world, there are only three basic logic gates, which are the AND gate, second is the NOT gate, and third one is the OR gate. And there are only two universal logic gates, which one are NAND gate and NOR gate. These gates are called as a universal logic gates because all the three basic logic gates can be derived either by using NAND gate or NOR gate, and the other logic gates are the exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. So first, basic logic gates. Basic logic gates are the fundamental logic gates using which universal logic gates and other logic gates are constructed. So these are the basic fundamental logic gates which are used to make the universal gates and the other logic gates. There are following three basic logic gates, which are AND gate, second one is OR gate, and third one is the NOR gate. So first we will discuss about the AND gate. The output of the AND gate is high if all the inputs are high. So as we said earlier, in digital electronics we will deal only with the either 0 or either 1. If there is a 0, it means it has no signal, and if there is a 1, so it means it has some information or data. So logic AND gate का आउटपुट क्या होता है? अगर इसकी दोनों इनपुट्स हाई होगी तभी इसकी आउटपुट हाई होगी. इफ़ अगर इसकी कोई भी इनपुट ज़ीरो है तो आउटपुट क्या होगी आपकी? ज़ीरो. द आउटपुट ऑफ द AND gate is low if any one of its input is low. So basically the AND gate work as a multiplication factors. So here this is the logic symbol of the AND gate. Here in the two input AND gate there are A and B are input, and its output relation can be defined by using Y. Y is equal to A dot B. So here the truth table. The working operation of the AND gate can be defined by using the truth table. So truth table will represent the input, the relationship of the input with the output. So here this is the truth table of the two input AND gate. Here A and B are the inputs, and Y is equal to A and B is the output. So this is the, if A is 0, B is 0, the output will be 0. If A is 0, B is high, Y is equal to 0. If A is 1, B is 0, Y is equal to 0. If both the inputs A and B are high, the output will be high, as we said in the definition. So next one is the OR gate. OR gate, the function of OR gate will be like as a addition. So the output of the OR gate is high if there is any single input will be high. अगर कोई भी इनपुट आपकी हाई होगी, द आउटपुट OR gate की क्या होगी? हाई. If both the input of the OR gate are low, the output will be low. The truth table below show the relationship of the input with the output. As we said, OR gate work as a additional factor in the mathematics. So here A is 0, B is 0, y is equal to 0. If a is 0, b is 1, the output will be 1. If a is 1, b is 0, y is equal to 1. If a is 1, b is 1 और आउटपुट क्या होगी आपकी 1. So this can be proved. If any one input will be high, the output of the OR gate will be high. If both the inputs of the OR gate are low, the output will be low. So next we will discuss about show their symbol diagram. The symbol of the OR gate will be shown as a given below. Here two input OR gate, here A and B are the inputs and Y is equal to A plus B is the output. We can use multiple inputs and their relationship can be represented as in the second diagram. So last gate is our the NOT gate. So in the NOT gate, this gate will function like as a inverter. It has only single input and single output. The output of the NOT gate is high if its input is the low. अगर हम NOT गेट की इनपुट के ऊपर लो प्रोवाइड करेंगे, द आउटपुट क्या होगी आपकी हाई. और इफ़ द आउटपुट ऑफ द NOT गेट इज़ लो इफ़ इट्स इनपुट इज़ हाई. अगर इनपुट हाई होगी तो आउटपुट क्या होगी लो. अगर इनपुट लो होगी तो आउटपुट क्या होगी हाई. सो दिस गेट वर्क एज ए inverse system or as a inverter. Here below the truth table of the NOT gate. As we said earlier, it has only single input and single output. The value of I, if we apply 0 at the input side, the output Y is equal to A bar will be shown as a high level. If we apply 1, A is equal to 1 at the input side, the output will be low. So here we will discuss the logic symbol of the NOT gate. A is the input and Y is equal to A bar is the output.